RSG delivers eco-friendly refrigeration solutions that lead the industry in ease of installation, cutting-edge controls, and peak performance, ensuring reliability and sustainability for all your cold storage needs. As one of the few manufacturers to produce refrigeration systems in-house, we offer comprehensive solutions combining top-tier walk-in coolers with state-of-the-art refrigeration systems. Our lineup includes versatile systems, including seamless one-piece self-contained, remote, and multi-compressor configurations, all designed to meet your specific needs. During system assembly, our skilled personnel practice advanced construction methods. For example, torches that automatically adjust during the brazing process guarantee exceptional dependability. RSG uses the highest quality components and efficient design to produce systems that not only deliver outstanding performance, but are also environmentally friendly. Our patented self-contained Capsule Pak ECO models set the standard for sustainability. Featuring R290 refrigerant with a global warming potential of only 3, they signify RSG's commitment to environmental stewardship and unparalleled efficiency. Standard Logitemp electronic controllers featured on most of our systems enhance food safety and reliability while allowing you to monitor performance effortlessly through the internet. When selecting a refrigeration system, the ease of installation ranks among the top priorities. Our one-piece Capsule Pak ECO systems arrive ready to be placed in your walk-in, boasting a straightforward installation process that saves both time and effort. Additionally, our remote split pack systems feature easily traceable tubing connections and electrical wiring, enabling installers to swiftly initiate the system, saving you time and money. With simple installation, advanced controls, and high performance, RSG is the complete answer to your cold storage needs. Let us help you with your next refrigeration project.